What happens when a machine decides your future? What happens when a technology created by humans starts replacing humans? Permanently? That's not science fiction. That's not a movie. This is reality unfolding right now in America. A shocking new poll reveals that nearly 3 out of 4 Americans fear that artificial intelligence will destroy jobs forever. Not tomorrow, not in some distant future, but today, as we speak. In late 2022, a single spark lit a wildfire. That spark was ChatGPT. Within weeks, it became the fastest-growing application of all time. Suddenly, the world saw what AI could do: writing, creating, even reasoning. Things we once thought only humans were capable of. At first, people were amazed. Students used it to write essays. Workers used it to speed up tasks. Businesses saw profit and efficiency. But then, the realization hit. If a chatbot could write an essay, what stops it from writing a report? If it could write a report, what stops it from doing a job? And if it could do a job, what stops it from replacing you? That fear has spread like a shadow across America. According to the poll, 71% of Americans believe AI will put people out of work. Not temporarily, not just during economic changes, but forever. But jobs are only part of the story. What frightens people? Even more is the unknown. AI doesn't just type words or solve math problems. It can create images, videos, even voices that look and sound real. Imagine this: a video of a president declaring war. And it's fake. A speech by your favorite celebrity, completely AI generated. A photo of a crime that never happened, shared millions of times before the truth catches up. 77% of Americans fear that AI will fuel political chaos. And honestly, can you blame them? We're already seeing it. Recently, a fake video of Barack Obama being arrested spread across the internet. Millions believed it. Millions reacted. But it never happened. If truth itself can be rewritten with the click of a button, what happens to democracy? What happens to trust? And then comes the most chilling fear of all: war. Nearly half of Americans said AI should never decide military targets. Think about that for a moment. A computer program making the choice of who lives and who dies. Some people trust technology, but almost 1 in 2 Americans say no. Machines must never have that power. Because once you give it away, can you ever take it back? And beyond war, there's another silent threat. Power. Not political power, but electric power. AI doesn't run on magic. It runs on servers, data centers, and an unbelievable amount of electricity. More than half of Americans worry that AI's hunger for power could overwhelm our energy systems. And they're right to worry. Even Google admits it must cut back on AI usage during peak energy demand. What happens when the very tool we rely on starts consuming more than we can give? But maybe the most emotional fear is not about jobs, or politics, or our power grids. It's about connection. The poll found that 2/3 of Americans worry people will choose AI companions over real relationships. Think about that. A machine that listens, a machine that never judges, a machine that tells you exactly what you want to hear. It sounds comforting, right? But also terrifying. Because slowly, people might start replacing human love with artificial affection. What happens to families, to friendships, to the very essence of what makes us human? Of course, not everyone sees AI as doom. Some believe it will revolutionize education, medicine, and industry. Some say it's the next great leap for mankind. But even here, the country is split. 36% believe AI will help education, while 40% say it will make it worse. America stands divided, not by politics, not by ideology, but by a single question. Will AI save us or destroy us? Right now, companies like Microsoft, Google, and Meta are investing billions. Nations like the US and China are racing for AI dominance. Factories are being built. Policies are being rewritten. The world is moving faster than ever before. And yet, ordinary people are left with questions, fears, and uncertainty. Will my job still exist in 5 years? Will my children grow up in a world where truth is impossible to know? Will AI make life easier, or will it break society apart? These are not just questions of technology. These are questions of humanity. So here we are, standing on the edge of history. On one side, AI promises progress, efficiency, and endless possibility. On the other side, it threatens jobs, trust, and even our very identity as human beings. The question is not, will AI replace us? The real question is, will we allow it? Because in the end, AI is not the master. We are, at least for now. The future is being written every single day, not by machines, but by the choices we make. And the question we all must ask ourselves is simple: are we ready for what comes next?